What's up guys, my name is Jeff of
Ako si Jop.
Welcome to our tiny kitchen. If there's one innovation that people was able to come up with in terms of home cooking, eto talaga yun guys. This is the one. This is an 8-quart instant pot, 6-in-1, multi-use programmable pressure cooker.
Wow.
So we've got this the last quarter of 2020. This instant pot really helped us a lot in the kitchen in terms of saving so much time and efficiency in cooking. This is our new best friend in the kitchen.
Ooh.
And it makes our home cooking really easy. Because this instant pot can do a lot of things, I was able to save so much time in the kitchen with less effort. For someone like me who is not really good in the kitchen, who takes an hour to cook a 20-minute dish, this instant pot really was one of the best choices we had in life. This is the instant pot, and this is how it looks like, and the different functions are here, and it could actually make soup or broth, meat or stew, which is our favorite feature to use. It could also bake cake, it could make eggs, saute, could cook rice, multigrain, porridge, lugaw, steam, and slow cook. So it has a lot of different functions, and on this video we are gonna cook nilaga. So welcome to Panlasang Pinoy. Joke lang. No, this is not Panlasang Pinoy. This is not a cooking show either. Shout out to Panlasang Pinoy, by the way. My wife April always watch her cooking vlogs just so she could have something new to put on the table. Like I've said, this is not a cooking show, but we're gonna try to cook nilaga with this instant pot. We're not actually highlighting how it tastes and how we do it because we are just utilizing whatever we have in the kitchen. But let's do this. And now I'm gonna flip to my cell phone camera because I'm almost running out of memory. See ya! Guys, nilaga usually takes us for like 3 hours to cook. Kasi gusto talaga namin yung malambot na nilaga. Yung tipong maghihiwalay na dun sa yung bone at saka yung meat. The meat that we're gonna use is the rib part. So I'm just really transferring all the meat. Initial time for pressure cooking would just be 10 minutes because I'm pretty sure when this boils up, there will be a lot of fats coming out from the meat. And then if we pressure cook natin siya ulit ng, let's just say 20 or 30 minutes and see. So I'm just adding up water, just enough for the meat to be covered with water. So this is how it looks like. There, with water in it. Just gonna put it in here. And this is the cover. How do I cover this? Here. So as you see, there's actually an indicator here. I hope you can see it, but there's an indicator. It says open, close. There's a direction, there's an arrow there that says close. So when you turn it that way to the right, it will close. But make sure it's airtight. We'll see. And then what we're gonna do next, guys, is let me just set up the camera here. There's actually a plug-in cord, guys, which we are gonna plug here. Yes. I'll just reopen and close it again just to make sure. So you hear that? And then, did it close? So there are different options here. We are gonna use the meat or stew. And it initially went to 6 minutes. We're gonna increase it to make it 10. And then it will start itself. When it's ready, it will start the timer. So it's on. I think it's initializing. We'll see what happens after 10 minutes. See ya! Hey guys, so 10 minutes is up. What we're gonna do right now is to release the pressure. Pressure cooking time alone is 10 minutes. Hi guys! There's no pressure anymore, I would say. So I'm gonna open it and see what's going on inside. Here's how it looks like, guys. It has a lot of oil. So I think we're gonna change water. This is already cooked, but this is not the tenderness that I want. It's so tender, but I want it like really super tender. So I'm gonna pressure cook it again. So in as much as we want to save the broth, It's like really oil, so I'm gonna drain this. Smells good actually. And then we're gonna replace it with a new water. So what I'm doing right now is that I'm just putting all the stuff all together. So I have here ginger. You know what? I eat ginger. We have spring onions. I don't know why there's garlic, but I think some people actually put garlic on their nilaga. Onions. Of course, I'm gonna put lemongrass. Lemongrass this much is like $4 here. A little bit expensive, depends on where you buy it. So hopefully this will be tenderized too. One nice thing about this is that the spice, the aroma, the spice won't really go away because it's tightly sealed. Next thing that I'm gonna do is put a little bit of pepper, beef cubes, and I'm using Knorr to add more beefy flavor. So just one, and then I'll pressure cook it like I've said for 30 minutes. I'll just stir it a little bit. Again, guys, this is not a cooking show or whatever. I'm just showing you how we save so much time in cooking by just using this. Let's do the 30 minutes. I'm gonna set it to soup or broth. So it's now turned on. And I know I pressed meat or stew earlier, it still works. It still works that way. Giving it 30 minutes and then see you after 30 minutes. And it's done. Do you feel the pressure right now? Oh yeah, pressure siya. Let's open and there it goes. I'm just letting you know that right now, it smells really good. So tender, so tender. Really smells so good. The aroma of the meat and the spices is just so perfect. Here, so tender. Best. I'm still turning this one on. Meat stew, it will continue to boil while I put the rest of the ingredients and season this beef bone soup. Now here's our biggest problem, guys, because we really don't know the ratio, the amount of salt to use. And like I've said, this is not a cooking show. I'm just showing you how this Instant Pot saves us time and how you can utilize your time with something else. Usually when we cook, it's always the salt that prevails. This is the Maggi Magic Syrup because it does magic. Yeah! It's boiling right now, right? I think I need a little bit more salt. I can't feel it. That's the problem now. A little bit more. Good luck! Isang kutsaritang asin na lang yung kulang, dagat na yung pagkain namin. You know? I think more of this. Good luck! Hello, kidney! You're in trouble! Next would be the corn. We're just using available ingredients here at home. We're using this one. My son Nathan loves corn. I'm putting everything in. Bok choy. I'm gonna put this one out first. Putting everything in now. We are finally done with our Nilagang Baka beef bone soup. Look at that. And guys, here is our Nilagang Baka. Guys, here's our Nilagang Baka, our beef bone soup. Cooking it using the Instant Pot. Here, it's successful, it's easy, it's convenient, it's fast. Here it is, hope you can see it. Guys, I'd like to thank you so much for watching this video. It's hot, I need to put it down. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more dish using the Instant Pot, please do let me know in the comment section box below. And namatay na po yung camera ko. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll get updated each time I upload a new video. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a wonderful day. Bye! Bye.